There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2023 Chrysler 300S in Silver Mist. With adaptive by XENON HID headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, remote start system, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 29,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, sport mode, heated second row seats, power sunroof, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7310.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.